such parties who have contested.
My lord, that is
Well, 51D alone is not enough for this interpretation, you see.
my lord, the rules also provide, sub-rule 2 of Rule 95 provides for exclusion of independents 1, with the exception that the independents who duly join a political party, they do not get excluded because they get added back to that political party for the
Consequences of exclusion are not mentioned.
My lord, the consequence of exclusion is something which is rooted in 5160, my respectful submission, which is that because the seats have to be allocated to political parties and not to the independents, therefore the independents must
What is the
necessarily be
purpose of list? At the time of filing list of the political parties for the reserve candidate, how do you know कि ये situation होनी है तो मैं 10 की जगह 40 नाम दे दूं लिस्ट में पहले से?
My lord, the rules and the act, it provides for and it gives this latitude to the political parties to give as many names as they may wish to. They can give all 60 names from each province, 32 and whatever the number may be. वो सारे वो नाम दे सकते हैं. अगर वो लिस्ट एग्जॉस्ट होती है तो फिर एडिशन
ठीक है, वो तो प्रोविजन है उसमें एग्जॉस्ट करने के बाद. तो लॉ में इस तरह की कोई प्रोविजन
ये लॉ के अंदर की सेक्शन 104 की बात कर रहा हूँ.
No situation to deal with such situation. There is no remedy provided how to deal such situation under the law.
My lord,
In the Constitution it is not provided.
Now this situation has arisen and in this parliament there are about 32 or 33%.
This is one of the creative and progressive interpretation at one end.
My lord, that might be so. There are about 32-33% members who, according to the order of the Election Commission, were declared as independents. I have shown you the example of Balochistan Assembly where not as much, but more than 20% were independents. The question before your lordships in order to deal with this situation would be whether under 51(6)D, Sunni Ittihat Council was the party which the independents could have joined. Now, if it was a party, if you come to the conclusion that it is the party which the independents could have joined, then the proviso to sub-rule 2 of Rule 95 would kick in and these independents would not be
Actually,
excluded.
I was reading the literal text of Article 51D. What is provided in that? Does it cater the need of the time which you have done?
My lord, in this case, the primary question will be a two-step response to this, and that is how the case has also been made out. First is whether this is a party which